There comes a time in every person's life when the noise of the world becomes too loud to hear your own thoughts. The pressure to perform, to be seen, to stay connected, to constantly prove your worth. It's everywhere. But the truth is, growth doesn't happen in the spotlight. Transformation doesn't happen when everyone's watching. Sometimes, the only way to move forward is to step away. Disappear. Not out of defeat, but out of divine strategy. Not to escape life, but to rebuild for the life you've been called to live. This message is for the dreamer, the builder, the fighter, the person with fire in their spirit who knows they were made for more, the athlete grinding through the pain, the student chasing greatness, the entrepreneur trying to build something out of nothing, the leader who carries the weight of others. This is for you. Sometimes, you need to go missing from the noise so you can find yourself in the silence. We live in a world obsessed with visibility, where validation is currency and being busy is worn like a badge of honor. But real power, real success, it's developed in the shadows. Just like photographs are developed in the darkroom, so too are our destinies shaped when no one is watching. While others post, you plan. While they scroll, you study. While they seek applause, you seek alignment. And while they sleep, you sacrifice. Because you know something they don't. Destiny demands discipline. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Yes, it gets lonely. You may have to sleep in your car, survive on little, lose friends, and miss out on temporary pleasures. You might be misunderstood. You might feel invisible. But in those moments, the grind in secret becomes your greatest gift. This season of isolation isn't punishment. It's preparation. You're not buried. You're planted. You must protect your mind like a castle. Guard your energy like gold. Every distraction, every person, every app, every conversation. Ask yourself, is this helping me become who I need to be? If not, eliminate it. There is no room for half-hearted effort in the pursuit of greatness. It's time to do an inventory on your life. Time to appraise every habit, every relationship, every decision. Does it serve your future? Does it align with your calling? If it doesn't, cut it off. The problem isn't your lack of talent. The problem is your divided attention. The reason you're frustrated isn't because you're not capable. It's because you're too distracted. You haven't been willing to disappear long enough to truly become who you're meant to be. You've been announcing moves you haven't made, talking about results you haven't earned. But now, it's time to go quiet, to stop telling the world your plans and just work. Disappear, build in silence, study in silence, train in silence, heal in silence, grind in silence, and then reappear, shock the world. You see the glory in others, the medals, the money, the success, but you don't see the sleepless nights, the heartbreak, the blood, sweat, and tears behind it. You didn't see the rejection, the failures, the sacrifices. All you see is the outcome. But behind every great achievement is someone who was willing to walk away from the world long enough to meet their true self. Think about it. The most impactful leaders, creators, and visionaries didn't climb to the top by chasing attention. They earned it by mastering themselves. Steve Jobs didn't announce every idea. He worked on it in secret and changed the world. The same goes for you. Don't broadcast. Build. Don't talk. Transform. Don't prove. Prepare. When the time is right, your results will speak louder than any announcement ever could. This is your season to become obsessed with purpose, to go deeper than you've ever gone, to trust the dark room where your character is forged. This is not a setback. It's the setup for the comeback. While others chase popularity, you're chasing your potential. While they chase followers, you're chasing legacy. While they quit under pressure, you're built to endure. So here's the challenge. Can you disappear for a season? Not to lose yourself, but to find the version of you that the world desperately needs. Can you walk away from comfort long enough to become someone worth watching? Can you let go of distractions long enough to dominate your lane in silence? Because if you can stay faithful in the dark, there will come a time when the light finds you. And when it does, you won't need to say a word. The world will know you've arrived.